Hello everyone, in this video, we will be looking at how to use Snagit for beginners. Snagit is one of the most powerful and user-friendly screen capture tools available, and it is widely used by professionals, educators, and content creators. Whether you need to capture images or record videos from your screen, Snagit provides the perfect solution. Step 1. Install Snagit. Before you can start Snagit, you need to install it on your computer. First, go to Snagit's official website, techsmith.com, and find the download link for Snagit. You can download Snagit for both Windows and Mac. There is also a free trial version available, so you can start using software without committing to a purchase immediately. Once you have downloaded the installer file, open it to begin the installation process. Snagit will guide you through the necessary steps. Depending on your operating system, this might involve clicking Next several times and choosing where you'd like to install Snagit. When the installation is complete, you will see the Snagit icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, depending on your operating system. Step 2. Opening Snagit and familiarizing yourself with the interface. After installation, open Snagit. You will see a simple interface with a toolbar at the top and several options available for you to choose from. The interface is designed to be clean and straightforward, making it easy for users of all experience levels to start capturing content right away. The main toolbar is where most of the action happens. Here, you'll find buttons for taking screenshots, recording videos, editing pictures, and accessing the software settings. On the left side of the toolbar, there are buttons like Capture, Video, and Library. Each of these buttons allows you to perform different functions. You will also notice the Library tab, which is where all of your captures and recordings are stored automatically. You can access all your previous captures and recordings from this section, making it easy to review, edit, or share your content later. Step 3. Capturing your screen. One of the Snagit's core features is its ability to capture images from your screen. You can capture your entire screen, a specific area, or even just one window. To start, click on the Capture button in the toolbar. Full Screen Capture. If you want to capture your entire screen, select the All-in-One tab. This will allow you to capture everything that is visible on your screen. It is useful for taking full-page screenshots of websites or desktop views. Region Capture. For more specific captures, such as taking screenshots of a certain area of your screen, select the Region tab. With the Region Capture, you can click and drag your mouse to select the part of the screen you want to capture. This is great for focus screenshots like showing specific sections of a document or website. Window Capture. Another option is the Window Capture, which allows you to capture specific windows on your screen. This feature is useful if you only want to capture the contents of a browser window or application without including the background or other parts of your screen. Once you have selected the area, Snagit will automatically capture the screen. The image will open in the Snagit editor for further editing. Step 4. Editing your screenshot. After capturing your screen, Snagit opens the Snagit editor, which allows you to edit and enhance your screenshot. The editor provides several tools and options that make it easy to add annotations, highlight important sections, and more. Adding text. To add text to your screenshot, click on the Text tool in the toolbar. You can then click anywhere on the image to place a text box and type your message. This is useful for adding labels, explanations, or titles to your screenshots. Drawing shapes and arrows. Snagit also allows you to draw shapes and arrows to emphasize specific parts of your screenshot. You can use arrows to point to key areas of your image or add shapes to highlight certain sections. This is great for creating tutorial images or highlighting important details in the screenshot. Blurring sensitive information. If your screenshot contains sensitive or personal information, you can use the Blur tool to obscure that data. For example, you can blur out credit card numbers, email addresses, or any other private information that you don't want to share. Applying effects. Snagit also has several visual effects that you can apply to your image. You can add shadows, borders, or even change the background color to make your image stand out. Experimenting with these effects can help make your screenshots look more polished and professional. Step 5. Saving and sharing your screenshot. Once you have finished editing your screenshot, it is time to save it. You can save your image by clicking File in the upper left corner of the editor and selecting Save As. You can choose the file format you want, example, PNG, JPEG, or PDF, and decide where to save the file on your computer. Additionally, Snagit makes it easy to share your images directly from the editor. After you have finished editing, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the Snagit editor. This will give you options to share your screenshot via email, social media, or directly to cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Step 6. Recording your screen, optional. In addition to capturing images, Snagit also allows you to record videos of your screen. This is great for creating tutorials, demonstrations, or recording software bugs. To start a screen recording, click on the Video tab in the toolbar, and then click the red Record button. You'll be prompted to select the area of the screen you want to record. You can choose to capture the entire screen or just a specific region, similar to how you capture images. Once you have made your selection, click the Record button and Snagit will begin recording your screen. When you are finished, click the Stop button. Snagit will open the recording in the editor, where you can make basic edits, such as streaming the video, adding text annotations, or highlighting certain areas of the screen. Step 7. Organizing your captures. Snagit automatically saves all of your screenshots and videos in the Libraries section of the software. This makes it easy to keep track of your captures, organize them, and find them when you need them. Step 8. Using Snagit's advanced features. As you become more comfortable with Snagit, you can explore its advanced features. These include creating custom capture profiles, using custom shortcuts to speed up your workflow, and capturing scrolling windows like entire web pages or long documents. Snagit also has powerful optical character recognition or OCR features that allow you to extract text from your images. This is helpful if you capture screenshots of documents or images containing text and need to reuse that text in other applications. Step 9. Exploring Snagit settings. To fully customize your Snagit experience, take a few minutes to explore the settings. You can change hotkeys, keyboard shortcuts to make capturing screenshots and videos even faster. You can also set the default file format and destination for your captures, adjust the capture settings, and fine-tune the performance of Snagit. In conclusion, Snagit is a versatile and user-friendly tool that can help you capture, edit, and share images and videos with ease. Whether you are creating tutorials, troubleshooting issues, or sharing content with colleagues, Snagit offers everything you need to get the job done. By following this tutorial, you have learned how to use Snagit's basics such as screen capturing, editing, and saving files. With practice, you'll be able to take full advantage of Snagit's advanced features to streamline your workflow and improve your content creation process. And that is all there is on how to use Snagit for beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.